One. May katapat tayo, di ba?
Ano gusto mo?
Kakantayin ba natin? Hindi.
Alam mo si Casey kanina, rini-request akong kumanta ng isa pang kanta. Bituin lang walang liniw. Kayo naman, puro ang gusto niyong pakantayin sa akin yung sa mami niya. Sige, ganito na lang. Meron kaming ginawang pelikula ni Casey, yun na lang ang kakantayin namin theme song. Next time, pag may show siya dito, baka i-guest din ako. Doon na lang ako ka.
Ako naman mag-guest sa'yo, pa.
Okay, game ha? Guest ka sa akin, baby ha?
Oo, game.
Okay, one of these days, guest tayo dito. Balik tayo sa Alehan. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And I hope to see you again next time. Ito po yung kinanta namin. I hope we can do it. Ngayon lang namin gagawin to live. Okay?
Yes!
I'll be there.
Ayun, meron silang DVD pa, oh.
Ayan, oh.
Naka-iPad naman.
Medyo iniban lang yung tono nito. Walang tono nun.
Kinakabahan na ako. Buti na lang
Take two.
take down ako.
Yung ba yung telephone number niya kanina? When you wake up each morning and you feel like falling, I'll be there for you. When the road seems uncertain and you can't help the hurting, I'll be there for you. When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you kasi, hindi nyo narinig yun, ano? Sobrang tinig, hindi nyo narinig. I'll be there. Aso lang nakakarinig yun.
The world is unkind, and your dreams, they need more time. I'll be there for you.
Thank you.
And if the rules they keep breaking, and the future is fading, I'll be there for you. Rainbow will land in the palm of your hand. Don't ever
The stars won't shine anymore. I'll be there. Sama sa drama yan.
Who knows where we'll go? What will tomorrow bring? Kinanta ko yung ano mo, version mo.
Each other, just hold on tight. We can touch to the sky and Salamat, sinalo niya ako. Yeah.
Ano tayo naglalaro?
Tuloy natin, tuloy natin.
Professional tayo, ba? Professional.
Alam mo, ganyan-ganyan ang mami mo eh.
Nakakadiri. Baba! In
Palm of your hand.
Don't
Never let it. Ito! Mataas to eh. When the stars won't shine anymore.
give up na ako, give up!
Sabay tayo. I'll be there. I'll be there.
I'll be there
I'll be there.
for you. Nagwala na yung harmonize!
Yeah.
Woo!
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Casey Concept Shoutout, baby ko.
Nakakatawa ka ba? I love you!
I love you, baby.
Bye! It's so nice to be with you on this trip.
This is our first time.
The last time I was in San Francisco, in California, was
2005. Nung dinalaw niya ako, 10 days siya doon. 10 years kaming hindi nakita. So, sabi niya sa akin, pa, I'll be with you one day for every year kitang hindi nakita. So, kasama ko siya for 10
Sinong magaling sa math? Ako hindi. Pero ang alam ko 10 days ako nandun.
Sagot kita, baby.
Oy.
Kaya ako nandito eh.
Nax!
At saka si Derek. At saka si Mateo. di ba?
For you. Oh, nandito tayo for each other. Kaya alam ko rin that some of our friends, like, we would like to thank some friends.
Well, your Tita Rina is here. Your Ninang, my sister is here.
Yes.
Oh, Tita Jinbi is here. Your sister is here. And your cousins are here. Of course, our producers, maraming salamat. Oh.
Special thanks to Cats
Jackie.
Entertainment for bringing us here in LA and Anaheim.
Yes,
To our
Jerry's here,
executive
thank you.
producers, Jerry and Tita Jackie Katigbak, Tita
Yes.
Jerry and Faith Bayona, and Tito Miko Katigbak.
Si Sandra.
Also,
Helen.
yes, Artist
Yes.
House. Tita Sandra, my Artist House family. We'll thank them. Kasi
Later.
kompleto yung list dyan eh. Tita Sandra, Tita Bella, Tita Helen, Tita Nancy, Auntie Ruth. Cats is proud to present the cast of Star Magic in April 2011. Ako, ilang buwan na lang yun. Oh. To our presenter, Seafood City Supermarket, the leading chain of Filipino restaurants in the U.S. And maraming salamat po talaga sa suporta ninyong lahat. And to Bello Medical Group, PLDT, the Asian Journal Publications.
Helen's original lapid lechon. Yan, kagabi. Sarap.
Kain
Ito mo.
mo. Yung hammer na inano nila, yung hammer, stretch hammer ba yun? Amoy yung suka. Suka, sili, chicharon.
Oo.
Parang nasayang yung leather nila.
Napakasarap po. Law offices of Attorney Ye and Attorney Lagwatan. Maraming salamat, Attorney Lagwatan.
Yes.
Abot Dental Clinic, maraming salamat for our dental needs. Ayan.
Yun ba yun? Brookshire Dental Clinic. Marlo Colina Salon. He just recently launched his Marlo Colina Cosmetics.
Ayan, oo.
Oh, saan ba salon mo?
Located in Long Beach. Diba sa Long Beach yun?
Memorized.
Siyempre, alam ko yun eh. Nabasa ko eh. Kanyari hindi lita. marlucolina.com.
Ayan.
Librado ko rin yung
Focal Point
email.
Flowers by
Flowers by
Mar.
Mar. M-H-A-R pa spelling. Just in case
Mahar.
hindi nyo alam.
PinoyComedy.com.
yeah.
Fiesta Foods. For our food tonight.
Maraming salamat sa manok at sa lahat ng gulay.
Oo.
Tsaka sa, ano tawag doon, yung turon. Mahilig ako sa turon. At anyway, birthday ko, maraming salamat at dinala nyo kami ng makakain.
November 5.
Oo, matagal na. Next year, imbitado kayong lahat sa aking birthday.
Papaluto tayo pa.
Papaluto tayo lahat. Gusto nyo mag-show tayo ulit dito?
Yes!
Kaninong bahay?
Yun ang bahay. Pagluluto
Hindi,
namin
marami.
kayong lahat. Sa Manyaman Restaurant. Thank you!
Yes.
Oh,
Manyaman,
oh.
maraming salamat. Sino sa inyo ang mga kapampangan? Yes, kapampangan. Ano ito, kapampangan.
Oo. Okay.
Batanggenyo, sino sa inyo? Walang
Paano
Batanggenyo.
bang probinsya nating mga konsepsyon?
Ano tayo?
Laking anilaw tayo.
Alam, Batangas tayo. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Maraming makasyaron at maraming gabi doon. Yes. Alam nyo kung bakit?
Kasi?
Ay, ganun ka. Oh. Ay siya. Oh. Kaya maraming
Wala tayo dito pa. Galing Batangas kung wala si Attorney Tansico.
wala si attorney. Ikaw, di ka nakikinig eh. Joke ako dito eh.
Hindi, sorry. Kasi ano ko.
Attorney Tansingo, maraming salamat po. Attorney, sino pa ba ang pasalamatan natin? Peterson! Peterson! Ay, yung sa ano, di ba?
Sino?
Yung sa limo? Oo. Hindi, yung stylist natin.
Stylist.
Salamat din sa Gold Deluxe Bake Shop. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Thank you. Sana maging endorser kami.
Thank you to
Thank you po
Max's
sa Max Restaurant.
The house that built
Puente Hills. Yeah.
JP.
Sa Puente Hills ho yan. To Felix Santillano of All Travelers Limousine, yes. The Team Cats, led by Gary Cruz, Glenn Meneses, and George Israel. Ayan. Ito
To
naman.
Lakewood Living Word, thank you for helping us out. Anaheim Express Inn, West Orangewood Avenue. And to the band. Ikaw na mag-introduce sa band.
Hindi, syempre, dito yung mga kaibigan natin.
Oo.
Kilala ba ninyo si Henry Katindig? Si Eddie pala.
Walang rubi ako pa.
Ito yung mga kaibigan natin dito.
On the drums,
Ayan.
Mike Agorilia. Thank you. Okay. Okay, on the guitar, Jackson
Jackson.
Allen. Are you ready to play Wag na